line. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Match number 6 underway here at the Canadian Pacific Regional. And before I even get the opening words out of my mouth, there's our first note scored over on blue. Those notes worth 5 points apiece here in this pre-programmed autonomous period. Despite the early note from blue, it looks like the Red Alliance will settle out with a pretty comfortable lead here, 19-9. As drivers now take the controls for the next 2 minutes and some change. There's the Red Alliance machine of Raid 0. That's that 4253 machine. Note loaded up, and they're going to move it around the robot and then move it all the way around the hockey rink. Over to the penalty box it goes, and they will have to go scoop up a new note out of midfield. The counterpart scoring over on the Blue Alliance side, that's the Hephaestus machine you see right there on the program feed, lined up with their speaker up and in. That's scored for 2 points of Alliance score. Red Alliance, Ursa Major out of Surrey, 1 point scored in the amp, followed by a 2 point score in the speaker by the Alliance partners Raid 0, who slow and steady head their way back to the bottom right corner of the field to scoop up another note, and it comes right back to the speaker. No drama at all on that one. 2 notes, or 2 lights rather, showing on the human player station for the Red Alliance. No cooperation light waiting on their Blue Alliance counterparts to get similar scores on the board, to have the option of that cooperation bonus, which makes it easier to get the melody rank point. Instead, the Red Alliance will go ahead and spend those notes to amplify their speaker. In it goes. 5 points of Alliance score for the speaker shot that was scored there by Raid 0. Here's Ursa Major out of Surrey. That's the Grandview Heights secondary machine right at top center of the field. They're near their Alliance partners, Raid 0. Make some room. Not a whole lot of traffic problems in Victoria. This is a little bit more chill than the mainland here, and these robots representing that as well, getting out of the way of each other. There's Blue Alliance machine of Breaker Robotics out of Richmond. Human player, all sorts of hand signals here. You could write a whole language dictionary off of this guy's signals right now. Waiting to get that robot lined up for notes to go in the robot. Notes bouncing off both speakers now as our teams head towards their stages. Parts already falling off the robots. That's Breaker Robotics breaking some stuff. Hopefully they didn't need that piece of polycarb. Up goes their Alliance partner, who's not able to get airborne before the end of the match. It looks like indeed that's the case for all 4 of the robots. That's victory. Your final score there, 39 red, 22 blue. 2 rank points for each of the Red Alliance teams. Still waiting to get through our first round of quals before these rank points matter too much in the leaderboard. And they will later be averaged out over the course of all